Galactic Idols, Backstage English. Starring the galactic diva, Starla. And the energetic Comet. And their manager android, Orbit. Let's peek into the dressing room before the show. Oh my gosh. I'm so nervous. I have butterflies in my stomach.
Hey, Starla. Why the long face?
Comet, I might mess up. What if I forget the lyrics?
No way. You're kidding, right? You are a star, Starla. Literally, it's in your name.
You're right. But the crowd is so huge.
Take a deep breath.
Inhale. Exhale.
Feel better?
Yeah, a little bit.
Excuse me, ladies. It's time for the sound check.
Roger that, Orbit.
How are the mics?
Perfect. All systems green. Starla, wardrobe check.
Are the glowing boots okay?
Brightness is at maximum output.
What about my headphones?
Neon pink, fully synced.
All right, I'm invincible.
Thanks, Orbit.
That is my job. 5 minutes to showtime.
Okay, let's do this.
Let's have a blast, Starla.
Yes, let's enjoy it.
Break a leg.
Huh? Break a leg?
It means good luck.
Oh, I get it.
Please proceed to the stage.
Thank you, everyone.
We're gonna rock the galaxy.
Cheering and music starts.
Systems all green. They are the best.
We love you all.
Let's get loud.
Thank you for coming today.
See you next time.
Mission complete.
What a fantastic show. Now, let's review the English. I have butterflies in my stomach. Use this when you are nervous. One more time. I have butterflies in my stomach.
Why the long face?
When asking someone who looks sad.
Repeat after me. Why the long face?
Break a leg.
Good luck before a show.
Let's practice. Break a leg.
Let's have a blast.
Means to have a great time.
Let's have a blast.
Finally, Professor Orbit's lecture.
Today's key phrase is break a leg. Directly translated, it means break your bone. But this comes from a superstition. People thought saying good luck would bring bad luck instead. So they say something bad to wish for good luck. Make sure to use it before a performance.
We learned a lot.
Don't forget to subscribe.
See you next time.